Alright. It's kind of a little test run. The camera angle's right. Also to kind of show the basic technique we got here. Got to make this wedge a little bit wider. I'm gonna come around in here, kind of widen it up a little, maybe even a little deeper too. Doing is just trying to chip away, take out little wedge-shaped chips as we go. Doesn't have to be a super hard swing every time, but just enough to get it to bite and work those chips out. What I'm trying to do is clear out the middle section so that when I cut on this side, this guy will fall over like that. I'm going to do a little bit more on the time lapse. And then we'll get going on the back cut.